Some motorcycles become legends not because of massive engines or extreme horsepower, but because of the freedom they give riders. And today's spotlight is on one of those icons. The 2026 Yamaha DT50X marks the rebirth of Yamaha's most beloved lightweight dual sport. A true gateway bike for adventure seekers and young riders. Welcome back to Z Auto Advisor, your trusted home for motorcycle insights, deep dives, and next-generation reviews. Stay tuned, because this new DT50X comes with a surprising upgrade at the end of the script, an update Yamaha fans have been waiting for decades. The Yamaha DT series introduced riders to the world of off-road motorcycling. Simple engines, lightweight frames, and bulletproof reliability made the DT lineup a universal favorite. The 2026 DT50X stays loyal to the original formula, light and agile beginner-friendly built. For both street and dirt cheap to run impossible not to love, this new model keeps the soul of the classic DT alive, while modernizing the machine for a new generation of riders. The heart of the 2026 DT50X is a fuel-injected 50cc four-stroke engine. Unlike the old-school two-stroke screamers, this modern engine focuses on clean performance and dependable power. Delivery. Key characteristics include smooth throttle response, better fuel efficiency, lower emissions, high reliability, a punchy power curve perfect for city and trail riding. Even with a small displacement, the DT50X is spirited. The engine delivers enough low-end torque to climb hills, tackle dirt paths, and zip through urban lanes with confidence. The new DT50X uses a high-tensile steel frame engineered for agility and durability. This design offers lightweight handling, stability in corners improved, off-road control, easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Young riders, commuters, and off-road beginners will feel instantly comfortable. The bike reacts quickly, making it fun and predictable, whether carving through city alleys or exploring small trails. Yamaha equips the DT50X with true dual sport suspension, long travel telescopic fork for absorbing uneven terrain, monoshock with adjustable preload. This combination ensures stability off-road and comfort on everyday roads. The suspension softens bumps, gravel, potholes, and light jumps, exactly what a DT model should do. Though compact, the 2026 DT50X includes a modern braking package, front disc brake for sharp stop and power, rear disc or drum depending on the variant, optional single-channel ABS for added safety. The braking is proportional, predictable, and tuned for beginner riders. The 2026 DT50X features a design that blends classic DT styling with updated aesthetics. Raised front fender for off-road character, cop deck, LED headlights, slim dual sport bodywork, dirt ready. Tires, minimalist digital gauge. Cluster. The silhouette pays tribute to the legendary DT50 and DT125 models while giving it a futuristic touch. Suited for modern riders, the seating and rider triangle are engineered for ease. Narrow seat makes it easy to reach the ground. Upright handlebar position gives full control. Lightweight feel reduces fatigue, perfect for riders of all ages, especially teens or beginners. From school commutes to trail adventures, the bike feels natural and confidence dash boosting. Yamaha keeps the DT50X clean and user-friendly, with technology that enhances convenience without overcomplicating the riding experience. Notable features include digital speedometer with fuel and trip information, LED lighting for efficiency, fuel-injected engine for optimal performance, USB charging port for practical use in daily commutes. It is simple, reliable, and easy to maintain. Everything a DT should be. In urban settings, the 2026 DT50X shines. Quick acceleration from low speeds, easy lane splitting, nimble cornering, lightweight body for tight maneuvering. Traffic becomes effortless. Parking becomes simple. Fuel costs become almost irrelevant, even with just 50cc. The DT50X holds its own off-road. Lightweight design improves control on travel suspension, helps on trails durable frame, handles rough pass high. Ground clearance avoids obstacles. It's the perfect entry-level dirt bike, giving new riders the freedom to explore off the pavement. One of the DT50X's biggest strengths is its astonishing fuel economy, thanks to fuel injection and Yamaha's refined four-stroke technology. Riders can expect 6070 kilometer per hour fuel efficiency, extremely low running cost, minimal maintenance needs. This makes the 2026 DT50X a dream for students and daily commuters. This motorcycle is perfect for teen riders getting their first bike, beginner dual sport fans, commuters needing lightweight transportation, riders who want a simple, tough, fun machine, fans of classic Yamaha DT heritage. Is not built for high-speed highway riding, but for everything else it excels. The 2026 Yamaha DT50X revives the spirit of accessible adventure. It's lightweight, reliable, economical, and incredibly fun to ride, the perfect blend of past and future. This concludes today's deep dive here on Z Auto Advisor, where we bring you the most complete and rider-focused motorcycle breakdowns. The DT50X proves once again that you don't need a massive engine to enjoy true freedom. On two wheels, just the right machine with the right spirit.